Hello. In this video, we are going to show you how you can get started with Oscar by HighIQ on AWS. Before you get started, make sure you have the authorization to access and subscribe to solutions on AWS Marketplace. Also, make sure that you have a key pair and the permissions required to create a new AWS CloudFormation in your region. It will take about 10 minutes to get Oscar set up and running. Start off by visiting the HighIQ website and registering for a 30-day free trial for Oscar. Get to the HighIQ website by simply typing in HighIQ.ai in a new browser. Under Find Us on, choose AWS Marketplace and click on Oscar. Once you're on the Oscar page, click on the Start Free Trial button. Fill out the simple web form and the thank you page will automatically redirect you to the Oscar by HighIQ listing on AWS Marketplace. Alternatively, you can click on the button Visit AWS Marketplace to view the listing. Once you are on the AWS Marketplace listing, scroll down to the Usage Information section to find helpful product resources. Click on View Usage Instructions to view the Getting Started guide. You will see the Additional Resources section to the right, where you can view the user manual to help you with the configuration after the CloudFormation process. The next step is to subscribe to Oscar and configure the solution. At the top of the listing, to the right, you will see the Continue to Subscribe button. Click on it. Then click on Continue to Configuration. On the Configure the Software screen, keep the default values for delivery method and software version. You can either keep the default as region or change it according to your location. Then click on Continue to launch. You will see the configuration details you have so far. Under Choose Action, select the Launch CloudFormation option. You will see the Launch button turn orange. Click on it. On the Create Stack screen, leave the default values of Prepare Template, Template Source, and Amazon S3 URL as is. Click on the Next button. Input a stack name and make it all lowercase or your CloudFormation will fail. Under the Network Configuration, choose your VPC and subnet ID. You can choose to specify an IP address for better security. Enter the IP address in the format described under the field. Under the Amazon EC2 and S3 configuration, add a resource name. You can use the stack name that was specified above. Select the instance type. This determines the amount of resources you will have. Select a key name. You will need access to this file to get a password for your RDP session. Click on the Next button. Review your configuration and acknowledge the same at the bottom of the page. Click on the Create Stack button. You can refresh the Events section to check the status of the CloudFormation and view errors if any occurred. You should see a success message once your CloudFormation has been successfully created. Next, access your EC2 instance via Remote Desktop Protocol or RDP by downloading the RDP file and getting the Windows password using your key name. You can then log into your EC2 instance using the RDP client. Through your AWS account, under Services, and then under Compute, select EC2. Then under Resources, select Running Instances. In the list that pops up, select the EC2 instance that you just created. Click on the Actions button on the top and select the Connect option. From the modal that pops up, you can click on the Download Remote Desktop File button to download the file and click on the Get Password button to generate the Windows password required for your RDP session. You can now connect to the RDP session with your Windows or Mac client. You are all set. Watch more videos in our Oscar onboarding playlist to learn about more configurations.